Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. And in today's session, we'll study the next series of alphabets, which is Seen and Suaad series. And proceeding alphabetically, in this series, letters are Seen and Suaad series, each of which contains two letters. I write them in front of you and then I'll pronounce again as we studied these in our very first session, but as we are going to write them, so I pronounce them again for you, so you will get and you will learn it more easily as I think. Okay, so the first word is seen. It looks like this one. Okay, seen. Okay, this one is called seen. Then the next one is sheen. It has three dots over it. Okay, and it is called sheen. Sheen. Okay, then the next alphabet and letter is sod. It is called sod. Sod. And the next one, this one is called zod. Zod. And I want to explain something about this alphabet for you, that this alphabet is called Zod in Urdu. Keep it in mind, it is pronounced as Zod in Urdu. Okay, and this same alphabet is pronounced Dod. Dod in Arabic language. Okay, in Arabic language this same alphabet is pronounced as Dod. Dod. And in Urdu it is pronounced as Zod. Zod. Okay, so keep it in mind. And now we practice writing these alphabets. Okay, so here are the basic alphabets of Seen and Suaad series. This one is Seen and the next one is Suaad. And practice writing letters Seen, Sheen and Zod on a separate sheet of paper. Begin at the point indicated by the arrow, like you can begin Seen from this point. Okay, I'm going to also write for you these alphabets here. Okay, so just keep in mind that you will start from this point when you are going to write Seen and Sheen, and when you are going to write Sod, you will start from this point. You will go like in a circle, then you will go down and make a half circle till here. Okay, Sod and Zod. And first write the basic shape and then write the additional identifying marks. Okay, and as you write each letter, pronounce its name aloud as well. Okay, and I'm going to write in front of you. First I write Seen for you. Okay, Seen, start from this point, make a little half circle like this, make the next circle, then go down and like this one. This is called Seen. Seen. And Sheen would be same as Seen, but it has three dots over it. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, and after that Sod will come. So Sod start from this point and it will go like this one. Okay, my writing is not good here because I'm writing on the screen, so sometimes mouse doesn't support as I want to write. And Zod will be the same in till this point it has only a dot over it. So these are the Seen and Suaad series alphabets, and keep it in mind that this alphabet Zod is pronounced Zod in Urdu only, and in Arabic the same alphabet is pronounced as Dod. Okay, so that's it for today's session. We'll meet in the next session inshallah. Till then, have a good day to all of you, and Allah Hafiz.